Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. We are going to follow these 4 steps. These are today's kanji. Today's theme is regions in Japan. We're gonna do something different today. Today's quiz will be practical. I will explain some grammar points in this video. The meaning is village. On is son. Kun is mura. Radical is tree, ki. The meaning is town. On is cho. Kun is machi. Radical is rice field, ta. The meaning is city, market. On is shi. Kun is ichi. Ichi means market. Radical is this symbol. The meaning is prefecture. On is ken. There is no kun for this kanji. Radical is I, me. Words and expression. Prefecture means ken. For example, look at the map. Except the X marks, all of them are ken, like Oita ken, Okinawa ken, Toyama ken. Expression. 日本には43県あります。There are あります。43 prefecture 43県 in Japan 日本には You see the X marks? For your information, those 4 X places are 北海道、東京、大阪、京都 They are not ken. We will talk about it next video. The kanji we just learned today is for the address in Japan. Address is 住所. 住所. For example, Shirley Castle's address is 903-0815沖縄県那覇市首里金城町1-2 This is how you say address in Japan. 住所 in Japan, we put the big legion first and then smaller and smaller and smaller. So the prefecture first, then city, then town, then street number. This is how you write 住所 in Japan. And the te, katakana te, means zip code. People who live in each district, we call group of people according to where they live. Example, you live in village, sonmin. Live in town, chomin. Live in the city, shimin. Live in the prefecture, kenmin. Example, 沖縄県民は県民税を払います。沖縄 residents, 沖縄県民は pay 払います。The prefectural tax 県民税 税 mean tax 沖縄県民は県民税を払います。Next, village hall 村役場 town hall 町役場 city hall 市役所Prefecture office, 県庁 These are the places that you are going to do all the paperwork or all the services that you can get. So important to know those places in Japanese. 村役場、町役場、市役所、県庁。Example. 市役所に出生届を出しに行く。I'm going to explain the grammar point here. A lot of people got confused with this grammar, so I color coded. Look at the English version. Go to the city hall. That's easy. 市役所に行く. The problem is to give birth registration, 出生届を出す. That comes in between the first part. We need particle に to connect one. The first ni is the place to go, and second ni is to connect your purpose in this sentence. 市役所に出生届を出しに行く。Next, town around castle. Castle is 城。城下町。城下町。Kun reading 城の下の町。城 is castle under the town. 城下町。Example. 祖母は城下町に住んでいます。My grandmother, 祖母は lives in に住んでいます。A castle town. 城下町。住んでいます takes particle に which is the place you live in. 祖母は城下町に住んでいます。Next, agricultural community equals to rural area, like countryside. 農村、農村. The meaning of kanji 農、農業, which is agriculture, and son is mura, village. Expression. 祖父は静かな農村で暮らしています。My grandfather, 祖父は lives in で暮らしています。A quiet rural area. 静かな農村。祖父は静かな農村で暮らしています。Let's compare those two sentences. The English is the same, lives in. But Japanese, there are two expressions. に住んでいます and で暮らしています。住んでいます is, it's more like talking about the place you live in. That's why you use に, place to live. 城下町に住んでいます。versus 農村で暮らしています。When we say 暮らしています、暮らす、our image is it's like life. You have your life there, you work there, you do all the activity there. So it's the place you do the activity, which is the place of action. That's why the particle で暮らす。Just remember に住んでいます。で暮らしています。The last one, morning market. 朝市。Morning is 朝。Market, 市。朝市。Easy. Expression. 朝市で安い野菜を買う。buy, 買う。cheap vegetables, 安い野菜。at the morning market, 朝市で。朝市で安い野菜を買う。In Japan, you will see this ad a lot. Like, look at the picture. 朝市. At the market, they do 朝市 and then you can get a pretty good deal during that time. 朝市. So don't miss it. Step 3. Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. People live in a village, 村民. People live in the town, 町民。People live in the city, 市民。The people live in that prefecture, 県民。Village hall, 村役場。Town hall, 町役場。City hall, 市役所。Prefecture office, 県庁。Morning market, 朝市。Agricultural community, 農村。Castle town, 城下町。JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。